How's it going, guys? I'm Conrad from SEW, and I got Roman here from
Empire Bakery.
Awesome. Roman, can you tell us a little bit about your company and what you guys do?
We do bakery products. We have lots of different products. We're doing cakes, we're doing baked goods, and we're doing freezer to oven products as well.
Where are you guys located?
We're located in North York, Toronto. We are fully automated, 20,000 square feet. We're already 11 years in the business. So growing up, and we have opportunity today to present product to Toronto and other people who are coming to show.
I see your product is quite diverse.
Yes, that's true. We're trying to work in different directions. We have, like, as I said, cake department. We're doing cakes, pastries, mostly for European markets. But we're also working through like mass production items, like no-frills, and that's directions that we're choosing right now for a company.